be doing the sneezing challenge. We got asked to do this challenge by Megan FY, who says, "Hey, I love your videos and have a challenge for you. The sneezing challenge. Either see how many times you can sneeze in 5 minutes or make it a competition with friends to see who can sneeze more. It would make my life if you tried it." Thank you, Megan FY. We will make your life.
Of course, we got tissues. We got pepper. And then we have a list of stuff on Al's computer to help us figure it out.
So we're gonna start the timer. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. I don't really sneeze that much. So.
I sneeze too much.
I can't even do this. This is like twisting it up like this, so you can tickle. I hate my nose.
Crap.
I'm not sneezing at all. I'm like so used to this.
I feel like I'm doing drugs right now. Wait.
Never. We'll just.
Three.
I can't do that.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm having a seizure. Alex is just giving herself a beauty day right now, doing her eyebrows.
I'm trying to. I'm not like, I used to sneeze all the time, but then I got used to it. I'm gonna keep my eyes closed, then go outside and look into the sun, even though there is no sun.
Chubby Bunny was easier than this.
Where's the sun?
Come on, Pepper, make me sneeze. I hope someone saw that.
I can't get it, there's no sound. I need to do it again for like a longer time though.
I hope someone saw that. I give up. Alex is looking for the sun.
I can sneeze when there's a sun.
Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. I have a headache. I sneeze a lot when I'm sleeping. Sneeze! No.
It sounds like peanut butter. We had technical difficulties, so we had to change cameras. Okay, you can go. I didn't work it all.
I swear if you're facing it to me. I hate you. I'm gonna tickle my nose. Get me some dust and I'll sneeze. Pepper, I'm not allergic to it. I don't even know how many that's been.
What made you sneeze so much?
Do I sneeze a lot? I get really tired. So who was winning?
I wonder. Make sure you subscribe.
Anymore. Oh, 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 oh. Getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she's waiting for me. Give me a second high. I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom. Getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she's waiting for me. Just across the bar, my seat's been taken by some sunglasses. Asking about scar, and I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know,
I'm trying hard to take it back. So by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.